How to change date and time in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start menu. Select Settings. In the Settings app, click on Time and Language in the left-hand menu. Then select Date and Time. By default, Windows sets the date and time automatically. To change it manually, toggle off the Set Time Automatically option. Once automatic time is turned off, click on the Change button under Set and Date Time manually. A new window will pop up where you can adjust the date and time. Use the drop-down menus and fields to set the correct date and time. Then click Change to save your settings. If you are in a different time zone, you can also change that. Toggle off the Set Time Zone Automatically option. Then click on the Time Zone drop-down menu and select your current time zone. If you want to ensure your PC's time is accurate, you can synchronize it with an internet time server. Scroll down and click on Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock. This will sync your PC's clock with the default internet time server. And that's how you can change the date and time in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.